Yo, Shabar the video. If you want to see more results in your core, you want to do this exercise. But remember, core exercises will not really help you see your core as much as a healthy diet plan. So, in order to do a crunch, you're going to have your back flat on the ground. And you can either have your feet planted on the ground still and just go up, or you can just have your legs up and then go until your elbows touch your knees. So you're gonna go up, squeeze for like 2 seconds, then go up again, squeeze for about 2 seconds, and then slowly controlling back down. To go up, then down. If you want to make this really effective, you could grab a dumbbell and then go up, making the exercise harder. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more fitness content just like this, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. We're currently on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And this is the video right here that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Peace.